Hi everyone, today we will talk about how can you fix this is problem you have on your Instagram apps. We will just click here on settings. We will click here on we will just click here on settings here, and we come here to this is window or settings window. We will go down, we will click here on apps, then we come to apps window and we will just go down to looking for Instagram app here, and we will click here on Instagram. Then we come to Instagram app here, and this is window. You just click here on for stop, and you will click here on OK. Then you click here on storage. Then you come to storage window. You just click here on clear cache. Then you click here on clear data, and you just go to Play Store and update your Instagram app, and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video about all Instagram settings.